And we style like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi.
Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your girl, Kendi. Now, today's video, we are actually going to go through my closet. The first time I said we're going to go through my closet, we didn't go through my closet. We just, I don't know what we did. We were taking down my bed. So I got rid of my bed frame. So I'm basically sleeping on a mattress, unfortunately, right now. But my room is a little bit clearer. As I'm videotaping this, my room is a lot clearer because I did a lot more work today. Today in this video, by the way, before I continue on, I apologize for not getting this up on time, because usually I kind of like realize the pattern of how I'm doing these videos and I want to keep that pattern, but today we had to do a lot more renovations, so this video is going to come back up a little bit, just 24 hours late. It's not going to be a huge deal, but I just want to apologize to whomever is watching this. I am doing this time we're going to go through my actual closet. I took everything out of my closet that is like in far deep backs of my closet that I haven't worn and needs to be washed again. And I came across all of my prom dresses. So back in high school, I bought a lot of prom dresses for prom, and I've never worn them to an event, or I wore them to my prom. I only had one prom. Why did I buy so many dresses? Because they were so beautiful and I got them for a good price. So I bought them and I wore them. I wore a couple of them like to New Year's Eve parties, and I also wore some of them to my graduation. So I did wear some of them, but some of them I never got to wear, which kind of sucks, because actually they are very beautiful. I might keep some of them, I might not, but I have to see if they still fit me, because like I did say in my first video that my body did change. So I want to see if these these gowns that used to fit me, if they still fit me anymore, and if they don't, I have to give them away. I'm gonna have to sell them. I have to give them away to people. People want to know who's gonna like enjoy it. And I'm gonna just like go and do, like, I guess this will be kind of like a lookbook or something. I don't know, like a rate my outfit. I don't know. I'm not gonna do a rate my outfit, but it's gonna be like a look thing. If you see something you really like and it's in your size, I will put I don't know if I'll put the description box. Nah. If you like something and you want to know what size it is, because actually if you want to wear it to prom, because let me remind you, I either wore these dresses once or never. So if you like anything, just DM me in my Instagram. I'm going to put it right here. And just DM me and I will send you the information about the dress that you liked. And I will get back, and I am very fast and fast on my Instagram, so I'll message you right back. And I will just, honestly, I won't even I'll probably just sell it to you for like $5 or $10 or something like that, and just pay for shipping and handling, or $20, I don't know. $20. I'll probably sell them for, if you really want it off of me, I'll sell it to you for $20, because it's a really nice dress. And like I said, I either wore it once or I never wore it at all. There's some stuff I might keep, and there's some stuff I know I'm not going to keep and I have to give it away. So let's go on this journey and let's enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
So this is me in my room, and I'm like taking all the clothes and I'm separating them into 3 piles. One pile is clothes that I made, one pile is gowns or luxury items I'm going to keep, and the other pile is items and stuff that I'm giving away. As you can see, this is the pile of luxury items I'm going to keep. And the other pile is the pile of items I made, so I am going to definitely keep those. So those are things I did make, like that big giant red dress, and then there's a an African kimono in the back of that. So yeah, those are things I made. And I'm going to keep those things, and I'm going to try these dresses on. So here's the first dress. I really love it. It's a bit tight on me. I have a stomach and I need to hit to the gym, but it's very nice on me. It's one of my mother's favorite dress, but it does cost a lot to get it fixed up because there are some parts of it that need to be fixed. And I mean, like, I bought this resold. I might wear it to like a launch party or a dinner date or something. I don't know. Ugh, I still need to get some work done, but I will probably wear it. It's really nice. And I'm gonna keep this dress. It still fits me like a glove. This is the second dress. This one, so that first one was a prom dress. This is actually a dress I wore. It was for my Sweet 16, and I cannot fit it anymore. Like, trying to zip it up on the side was impossible. I only got as far as like the midway skirt, but it's such a beautiful dress, and I don't want to like give it to Salvation Army. So I'm gonna see if my cousin would like to wear it, or I'll probably have to figure out if I can maybe like I don't know, like add some more. Alright, this is a third prom dress I wore, but also since I didn't get to wear it to prom, I wore it as my graduation party dress. It is so cute. I really love it, and actually it still fits, although it's like a zero. And but I mean, like, it fits, like, really like squeezes the death out of me. So it looks so good on me. It's one of my top favorite dresses. So I'm gonna keep this one, and I'm just gonna have to suck it in or hit the gym. I don't know. And I'll just keep it, and I might actually I will wear it for my birthday because my birthday's tomorrow. So it's one of those dresses I'm gonna wear for my birthday, and it's so cute. It has so much beading on it. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna give this one away, but I really really love it. I have to just make sure I maintain in it. I have to figure out how to fix the bodice part of it, because actually the bodice, the boning in it just is freaking poking my tits. I mean, like, it really is. I'm just too busy having fun in it because it just looks so good. And yes, it's a hella short, so that's kind of like one thing my mom hates about it. But that's like there are like two minor things we dislike, like the length of it and the where it is on my body. Like, my breasts are a little bit too big for the top part of it because this is a size 0. Okay, this is a dress that I wore one of my New Year's. It's on my Instagram. I wore my New Year's party, and well, it was for New Year's, and it fit me like a glove back then. Now it does not fit me at all. Like, it doesn't even go, like, the zipper will not budge going up. So I'm just showing you this because actually this one, it did not fit me at all. It was like legit struggle. In fact, I got stuck in it and I need to call my mom to help me out. It kind of really sucks, but I mean, like, it's such a beautiful dress, so I'm gonna give it to my mom. Well, I want to see if my mom fits it first, and if she does, I'm giving it to her. So that's one of those things. My butt looks good in it though. Too bad So my mom can fit it. She looks so good in it. She looks so cute. And we need 3 people to zip her up, but she looks good. So this is my closet afterwards everything. I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will come back to you with the next process of the journey. Thank you.